today, I'm going to be putting on the final molding. So you can see this one's been replaced, and this one has not. There we go. Going to put this on. A little screw right at the front of the door. We're going to go ahead and remove that. Get this removed. Come. By pulling straight up, we'll unclip. And we're going to give it a quick clean, throw the new one in. Now we got that fresh new trim. It's going to look great. Paint doesn't look great, but the trim looks great. So, now I can go ahead, set it up there, align it with the back. Down so it clicks, it'll line up here, and we'll go ahead, put the screw in. Screws back in. Trim is done.